Well, there he is. Did you survive the 1 in 1,000-year flood event? Hey, buddy, are you hungry? Oh, it's me. It's all right, buddy. You are a survivor. I see Ninja's been looking for food. The flooding has gone down. This was completely saturated. This whole area was like a lake. It looks pretty dry now. Where's your mother? GK, the gray kitty. Yeah, back there it's still. Look at that. I think I have to take this down because, you know, the neighbors here. The drug dealer, he was talking about, like, I gotta call the association. Oh, there's RJ. He's cool. Here goes a bright line. See, I survived the April 13th. Was it the 12th? Yeah. Anyway, it basically rained all week almost. A week ago was Good Friday. And yeah, this little guy's been living outdoors. He's very feral. His companion, though, is Mom. He's the only cat that survived in her litter. And she lives out there somewhere. Well, she sleeps. She comes here to eat. Anyway, I'm so happy to see you, kid. I named him Christmas because he survived the freezing temperatures and cold rain Christmas weekend here in South Florida. You know how he survived? At only 2 months old, he slept in this tree. He took shelter in this tree, like his Christmas tree. Right there is where Christmas stayed. I tried everything. I tried a crate with that tarp over it, with blankets. He wouldn't go in it. He just stayed in that tree. Anyway. I brought you some fish. You want some tilapia? I think you deserve it. All right. Over and out. What a sweetheart. What a survivor.